Japan, 1877, a misty morning in the mountains, and today a way of life 700 years old comes to an end. For centuries, one class ruled this land by the sword, the samurai. What you're about to see is a reconstruction based on real history, the last stand of the last samurai. Forget the movies. A samurai wasn't just a warrior. They wrote poetry, practiced calligraphy, sat in silence over tea. They lived by a code, bushido, honor, loyalty, and death before shame. And this is Takeshi, one of the last men on Earth who still lives by that code. You can't win this. Why fight?
To lose well is still to win.
Are you afraid to die?
I fear only living without honor.
He knows exactly how today ends. And he's walking toward it anyway.
This armor took a lifetime to earn, and this sword is his soul. The new government banned their top knots, their swords, even their name. They took away who they were. Because a new Japan is coming. Trains, telegraphs, rifles. An army of 30,000, with modern guns and cannons. Against them, barely 500 samurai, with swords. This hill is called Shiroyama, and this is where it ends. No panic, no fear, just men quietly making peace with the morning. Takeshi takes his place. One last time. And then, the guns open up. They charge. Swords against rifles. Honor against the future. The samurai believed a life should end like the cherry blossom, beautiful and brief. By afternoon, the hill falls silent.
700 years of samurai end here, on this quiet hill.
They lost. They always knew they would. The world moved on, into trains and factories and rifles. It never looked back, but it never forgot them. Because some things are worth dying for, even when you cannot win.